Hi everyone, my name is Iris. Today I wanna present the finding, the very interesting topic. It's miniaturized implantable and the bioelectronic medicine. So, what is bioelectronic medicine? It's a cutting edge field using electronic simulation to regulate a neural signal for therapeutic purpose. They are focused on treating disease by modulating internal nervous signal rather than using drugs. So the key application now can treat like epilepsy and depression, rheumatoid, and also diabetes, and also more. So why we need miniaturization? Why it matter? Because with a smaller device, it offer less invasive procedure for human, and also it can reduce infection and recover risk. And for with this technology, it offer greater precision in targeting nervous tissues. So, and here's the history, it's historical perspective. Some of you probably know this. It's in 1958. The photo here, it shows the first external pacemaker. This machine, this device, this device is a groundbreaking step in saving human lives, but it is bulky and absolutely not comfortable, and the infection. Um, that's why. But this is the first big step. Um, in this medical device field, so it's bringing more like advanced technology later on. As you can see the photo, the size of a small shoebox, and it is externally, not like now everything's not, it's internally. We can internally like target the tissue and then connect it with the skin penetrating electrodes. It's so, yeah, it's not safe. Even we see from the photos. It also required the open chest surgery and the long hospital stay. That's so dangerous. There's a big patient safety issue there. So, but this milestone highlights importance of minimize the medical device and the evolution. And so here's our technical innovations. We offer microelectronic flexible materials, MEMS, and we we have thin film device conform to tissue surface, reduce immune reaction, of course. So, and also some of device, we have a wireless power and battery-free system that's gain ground. That's a huge steps. So in the real world applications, we have implanted vagus nervous simulations for those disease we mentioned, and also the device. Some device can actually monitor the seizures and deliver adaptive simulation in real time. And those device integration of neuroscience and electronics and clinical medicine integration. Here's the case study, vagus nervous simulations. So we use in epilepsy, depression, and inflammation. We actually have the clinical data for that. And So the miniaturized VNS device enable less invasive treatment, and also, yeah, we have the clinical trial outcome. For the regulation framework, most of the devices fall under Class 2 or Class 3 in the US. Of course, FDA requires safety and biocompatibility tests for those devices. And also, since some of them, they have software function. So software reliability and wireless safety is also something FDA really concerned about. And of course, long-term follow-up data since it's implants. And also challenge for inner regulation, what I found is a difficulty in violating novel neuromusing targets and safety risk from device failure or remote manipulation. Long-term data requirement for implants, some of the device not have enough long-term data yet, so and also those device FDA concerned about, like there'll be more recall risk and the cybersecurities. Also, the global regulation authority, FDA, EMA, they have some like different perspective. And also the ethical and social consideration, informed consent and patient autonomy with neural implants. We have to tell what the risk come with, potential risk with those device, and also issues with the enhancement and the treatment, and concern about including like access, affordability, and healthcare inequality. And the future is closed. Those are closed loop system using AI for responsive therapy. That would be very good future. And use digital biomarker for tailored simulation. And another future probably is the development of transition implants that dissolve after use. And the summary and takeaways is bioelectronic medicine is transforming chronic disease treatment, and miniaturization improves safety, access, and efficacy. And the regulatory framework must evolve within the technology. And the future, of course, smaller and more personalized device. Thank you.